That's not like a technically correct term. Yo, capo to my key. Yeah, key up to my capo. Is everyone having a good time? This is awesome. Like keep it at Bob.
Sure. Awesome. You take it.
Yeah.
Take the whole thing out. We'll back there.
Some this bed, my head appreciate you guys.
Too bad.
You guys are fun.
We're all
Ready
bad.
has to go?
Yep.
Sure, blame it on him.
Well, no, I don't have to go. So I don't. Hey, I'll tell you what. This is fun. We're gonna do this tonight, electric. But let's have a little fun with this. This is
Anticipation's killing me.
And I'm in the band.
Joey and I are huge Bette Midler fans, and this is your favorite Bette Midler song, I think.
Yeah.
If I remember correctly.
Oh my God, you didn't tell me. I would have worn my costume.
So,
Ready to jack it up?
Let's do spirits. It's time to check this party all.
we'll do spirits.
Changing me back.
We'll do spirits. It's easy. Super easy.
There is no political solution to our troubled evolution. Have no faith in Constitution. There is no bloody revolution. We are spirits. Our spirits in the material world. Our spirits in the material world. Our spirits in the material world. Are so only to speak with words they try to tell you. They subjugate the meek. But it's the rhetoric of fear. We are spirits in the material world. Our spirits in the material world. Our spirits in the material world. Our spirits in the material world. Living from day to day, something we can buy. There must be another way. We are spirits, our spirits, our spirits. My spirits
You did that so much better than Bette Midler did.
I was thinking that too. I'm like, what?
It's cracked.
Should we play some original music now?
Yes.
It's got, yeah, it's got.
Yes.
We got it. So you can say let them.
Oh, yeah, sure. You want to call on energy?
Might be menopause.
Yeah.
She said that's your husband. He said it was getting hot here, so she opened the door and she said it might be menopause.
What's the 7787 song? You can, I've heard that enough now. I might be able to. Yours. Yeah. I like that one a lot. Okay.
Like the chorus starts in G and then
Oh,
we kind
just
of go
that's
to F,
great.
A minor.
Do you mind?
Okay.
I'm gonna destroy this thing in about 10 seconds.
What's the chorus like?
I'm gonna dance.
How do you know that already? Reggae stand up.
Society spins down. Can't you see? You can't think.
Oh, it's Johnny boy, I get. Oh, you guys are gonna be back
this a little. I'm not sure. No, then we'll get the air from there. That's coming from there. That's good.
No, we can open it.
I think you'll get the cyclone, right? If you open
Yeah,
the
the air.
Man, it's pretty hot out there.
You got the other door open. There's a gas.
Our savior, thank you. There's at least one genius in the room.
Can you get one of those open bottles of champagne that are right behind your
Yeah,
ring?
I got you.
Champagne pause.
There's only one.
Oh,
Just kidding. Maybe. Yeah.
It's the new website, 30 people, one bottle.
Right? There's a lot of comedians, but only one genius.
Oh, no.
AKA shampoo. Remember, he's got my glass down.
I'll take it.
Nevada.
You'll speak after.
Thank you very much.
Hey guys, raise your hand if you say Nevada versus Nevada.
That's gonna be difficult.
You just keep pouring.
And if you say Nevada, jump off the ship.
Who says Nevada? Raise your hand.
Nevada!
Wait.
So it's about a 40-60 split.
Now wait, if you're from Missouri, you say Nevada.
Nevada. I say Nevada. Nevada. It's amazing. You don't know that.
Fancy, it's fancy.
Wait a minute.
I come from Placerville.
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah. Here's a waltz.
We're gonna play some original songs for you here.
Yay.
Should think about playing stuff when you guys come out to your house. Remember stuff, little stuff. Everybody's so quiet.
Just come out.
That's because you're not talking. You're the starter.
Lisa, can you close the door while they're smoking?
We're gonna play some original songs for you here.
Man, Mad
There's a table back here.
It's a waltz. This is a song called "Put Me Down." It was my attempt to take that phrase and every meaning I could find for it and stuff them all into one song that I wrote for a girl I never should have dated. Not that there's anything wrong with her. It wasn't, it wasn't compatible.
We've all been
And,
there.
yeah, we've all been there. And so, of course, at 19, 20, I thought the cool thing to do was just change and be whatever it would take. And, of course, that sets an unsustainable pattern, and I failed at it miserably. So this is called Put Me Down. Enjoy. If I wished you well, you'd mess yourself up to spite me. If I offered my life, you'd keep me alive, justifying me. What do you want? What do you need? You ask to be carried, then quickly you plead.
if I ran away, you'd hunt me back down and you'd find me. And if I tried to say how little you care, you'd remind me that I'm probably to blame. We've come to this. I leave myself open and you never miss shutting me down. 'Cause it's what I deserve, so put me down for having the nerve. Put me down, 'cause I have the nerve to care.
You like this song?
Just push it down. Great timing.
So if I told the truth about how cynical I've grown to be, sometimes I pray that you'll find the strength in it and what you started with me, started with me. I gave you my heart and I knew you'd break it. Here's your big chance, girl, so why don't you take it and put me down? 'Cause I want this to end. Put me down. If you're ever my friend, put me down. Why don't you please?
We're gonna do another original song here. This is a song called Milo, and maybe he's going to play some bass. We'll see how it goes. If you have any room. This is a song I wrote about a pen pal I had.
Let's face it, for you guys.
Oh yeah. I wrote this song about a pen pal I had in prison. He was in prison. I
I try to stop it. Way to ruin the mood.
It's called Milo.
Lisa.
Suddenly smells very funny.
Jazz cabbage.
Jazz cabbage.
We'll tip you later.
No, they need it.
Oscillate, oscillating.
Oscillating. It's on.
Have some sunshine lotion. I'm worried that I'm gonna get a burn.
You got some burns. You want a shot glass?
I'll just.
No, it's all right. It's disinfectant.
We need the conditioner though. Anybody else? I'll take it.
You know, meditation.
Dude, one time I'm novelist. I'm okay. Seriously, guys.
No shampoo. No, they actually check my bubbles. And they're like, oh, whatever. And then I'll just
It was never about any social cause. Your heart and heart and soul. The child that I know.
ago. Pages and pages, still the future's warm. Hey, this is not forever. Hey, this is not the reason for your life. There will be other summers. You will be with your brothers. Hey, this is not forever. No. You're the last line that I said. These are attempts at conversations, things I just. When we letters, it's all wrong. You ever wake up in the world, not enough. Your heart and soul. There's a child I still know. It was a long time ago. Pages and pages, still the future's warm. Hey, this is not forever. Hey, this is not the reason for your life. There will be other summers. You will be with your brothers. Hey, this is not forever. You wait low, 10 months to go. Where you going to? You're coming from. You were the one I wanted. You were pride and joy, but you were leaving those that feel so small. And all you wanted was someone to care. Hey, this is not forever. Hey, this is not the reason for your life. There will be other summers. You will be with your brothers. Hey, this is not forever. Not forever. Very beautiful Zach Duran on the bass here. That's the song I wrote about when I was in prison, right? It's amazing how
Which word influenced?
You know, honestly, I actually broke out.
Did you escape beat up a
They don't know I'm on the boat.
They're still looking for you.
They're looking in all the wrong places.